Hi everyone, this is Kumar Swami Matpati. This is my first video on Lightning Flow. As you all know, Lightning Flow is a tool which becoming powerful day by day. So I wanted to make a small video on Lightning Flows. So there are ready to use flows are available in AppExchange. You can find it under AppExchange website. There will be a solution type and flow solution. There will be a flow solution where you can see uh, many number of ready to use flow. So for today video, I will take a very simple but powerful flow adoption perspective, which is uh, profile photo and avatar uploader. So using which we can set our profile picture at in our org. While logging also we can while a user is logging into an application, that time also we can set our profile photo using flows. So I will showcase walk through this. It is a free application, so jump into our org. So first you need to be installed that into your org. Then for setuping, click on login. There will be a login flow. So create a login flow. For that, click new and select type flow and name of the flow we need to be give. You can give anything. Profile. Presently I'm giving profile avatar. Then flow we need to select photo uploader. Then for which licenses you want to be while logging user you want to be show. I will select for Salesforce licenses and profile. For which profile you want to show that while logging that flow screen. Then one more thing will be render flow in lightning runtime. So it is used for when we enable this checkbox, it will only showcase for lightning user. If we disable it for lightning and both classic user can, while logging they can see this flow screen. I will save this. Okay, for showcasing I will log out now. Okay, once again I will log in. So you can see that flow screen has been appear. So here is a flow screen. We can set choose an avatar also. We can set avatar and we can upload our personal photo, individual photo also, and we can skip this. While if you uploaded your photo, you can skip also this. Choose avatar. So there are 6 avatars are there presently. These are the avatars, and I wanted to add my personal picture. I will upload that file inside my finish. So we can jump into our application and I will show you. I will refresh it. Yeah, you can see my picture which I uploaded. And another way to showcase that flow at a particular individual application also you can show. Presently I've set it a sales application. See here also using this, from this screen also you can upload your profile picture. There are two ways in login also we can do, and at a particular application also we can set our profile pictures. Yeah, so here I will upload an author. Okay, finish. Here also you can see in at a particular user level also now will be changed. Yeah, you can see here. This is my small video. Thank you guys. I hope it will help for you. Thank you.